Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of Polybuzz, the latest character creation tool that's taking 2025 by storm. Whether you're a gamer, a storyteller, or just love customizing avatars, this full guide will have you creating your dream character in no time. Polybuzz is an intuitive app that lets you build unique personalities for games, social platforms, or even virtual reality experiences. Let's jump right in. First things first, you'll need to download and install Polybuzz from your App Store or official website. It's free and super quick. Most devices take less than a minute. Once it's installed, open the app and sign up for an account. Use your email or link it to your social media for a seamless experience. Don't worry if you're new. The interface is user-friendly with helpful tutorials. Now, head to the Create Character section, which is usually front and center on the home screen. Here, you'll start by choosing your character's base. Select from a variety of species like humans, aliens, or mythical creatures. Next, customize appearance. Pick skin tones, hairstyles, eye colors, and even facial features. Polybuzz uses advanced AI in 2025 to suggest options based on trends or your preferences. Don't stop there. Dive into attributes like skills, strengths, and backstory. Assign points to make your character a warrior, a mage, or a clever rogue. You can also add clothing, accessories, and animations to bring them to life. Once you're happy, hit Save and Export to use your character in compatible games or share it with friends. There you have it, a complete guide to creating a character in Polybuzz. It's fun, creative, and perfect for unleashing your imagination. If you try this out, let me know in the comments how your character turned out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.